Apple is known for delivering cutting-edge technology wrapped in premium hardware. And while flagship models like the iPhone 15 Pro Max steal the spotlight, Apple's SE lineup has carved out a niche for budget-conscious users who still want the best of iOS. The upcoming iPhone SE 4, 2024, is shaping up to be one of the most exciting budget-friendly smartphones, offering a blend of premium features, modern design, and an affordable price point. So, what makes the iPhone SE 4 such a game-changer? Let's dive into every detail, from its rumored design and specifications to performance, battery life, and software features. Design: a major overhaul inspired by iPhone 14. One of the biggest criticisms of the previous iPhone SE models was their outdated design. Apple stuck with the iPhone 8 form factor for far too long, making the iPhone SE 3 look ancient compared to the competition. But this year, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to undergo a complete redesign, borrowing heavily from the iPhone 14. All-screen display: say goodbye to thick bezels and the home button. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to feature a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina display, marking a significant upgrade from the previous 4.7-inch LCD screen. Notch and Face ID: unlike the iPhone SE 3, which relied on Touch ID, the new model is expected to incorporate Face ID, bringing it in line with modern iPhones. Aluminum and glass build: Apple is expected to use an aerospace-grade aluminum frame with a glass back, allowing for wireless charging support. Color variants: the iPhone SE 4 is expected to be available in Midnight, Starlight, and Product Red, similar to other budget iPhones. Display: a big upgrade over previous SE models. One of the most notable upgrades in the iPhone SE 4 is its display. The shift from a 4.7-inch LCD to a 6.1-inch OLED panel could be a game-changer for budget iPhone users. This Super Retina XDR display would not only enhance color accuracy, but also improve brightness, contrast, and power efficiency. Resolution: 2532 by 1170 pixels, bringing sharper visuals. Brightness: peak brightness of 1200 nits, ideal for outdoor visibility. Refresh rate: while promotion, 120 Hz, is unlikely, a standard 60 Hz refresh rate will still provide a fluid experience. Performance: A15 or A16 Bionic, faster than ever. Apple has a history of equipping the SE lineup with powerful chipsets, and the iPhone SE 4 will be no exception. It is expected to feature either the A15 Bionic from the iPhone 13-14 or the A16 Bionic from the iPhone 14 Pro. CPU and GPU: the A16 Bionic chip offers a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine for AI-driven enhancements. Efficiency: thanks to the 5nm architecture, the SE 4 will have improved power efficiency, allowing for better battery life. Gaming and AI: with Metal API optimizations, the iPhone SE 4 will be capable of handling high-performance gaming and AI tasks seamlessly. Cameras: improved single-lens shooter with AI enhancements. Apple has always excelled in camera technology, even in budget models. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature a 12MP primary sensor with deep fusion and smart HDR4 support. Main camera: 12MP, f/1.6 aperture, night mode support. Video recording: 4K at 60 frames per second, cinematic mode, 1080p at 30 frames per second. Front camera: 12MP, with center stage and improved low-light capabilities. While the iPhone SE 4 won't feature multiple cameras like the Pro models, Apple's computational photography enhancements will ensure excellent image quality. Battery life: a massive boost over iPhone SE 3. One of the biggest drawbacks of the iPhone SE 3 was its mediocre battery life. With the iPhone SE 4, Apple is expected to incorporate a bigger battery, coupled with the power efficiency of the A16 Bionic. Battery size: estimated at 3,200 mAh, a significant increase from the 2,018 mAh in the SE 3. Fast charging: 20W wired charging, delivering 50% charge in 30 minutes. Wireless charging: Qi-compatible wireless charging included, though MagSafe might not make it to the SE lineup. Software: iOS 18 brings AI and enhanced privacy features. The iPhone SE 4 will debut with iOS 18, which is rumored to bring a host of AI-driven features, enhanced privacy tools, and Siri 2.0 with ChatGPT-like capabilities. Apple Intelligence, AI-powered image editing, text summarization, and smart replies. Privacy enhancements, lock individual apps and more control over tracking. Siri overhaul. Apple is expected to bring on-device AI processing, making Siri faster and more intuitive. Connectivity, USB-C, 5G, and more. Following Apple's shift to USB-C across all its devices, the iPhone SE4 is expected to ditch the Lightning port in favor of USB-C. 5G support, sub, 6 GHz and mmWave 5G for ultra-fast connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E, faster speeds and lower latency. USB-C, charging speeds up to 20 W and faster data transfer. Pricing and release date, the most affordable iPhone of 2024. Apple is likely to price the iPhone SE4 competitively, making it the best value for money iPhone in years. Expected price, 64 GB model, $429. 128 GB model, $479. 256 GB model, $529. Release date, March or April 2024, as part of Apple's spring event. Final thoughts. Should you buy the iPhone SE4? The iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be the most exciting budget iPhone yet. With a modern design, larger OLED display, a 16 Bionic chip, improved battery life, and iOS 18, it's a significant leap from the SE3. If you're looking for an affordable iPhone that doesn't compromise on performance, this is the device to watch in 2024.